Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and we're doing another quick unboxing of another phone. I think this is a Chinese brand, ano? It's called a Doogee Y8. This one we bought from Shopee, from the official Doogee store, for 4,299 pesos only. So there are other sellers in Shopee that also carries it, pero it's a little bit more expensive, ano. So there's three colors to the Y8 model. It's the green, the emerald green, phantom purple, and the midnight black. I chose to get the emerald green. So that's the phone, okay? So kita niyo ba yung pagka-emerald green niya? May plastic cover siya sa likod, okay? Wall charger, micro USB, okay. Manual and warranty card, and the pin, okay. So hindi maarte yung, it's not maarte the way they pack it, right? It was just right there in the middle of the entire thing. So I'm gonna put it back. There's no headset included in the device, okay. It's supposed to be sporting a 5 megapixel front camera, and it's dual cam in the back. It's sporting two cameras. It's both 8 megapixels, ano, with a 2.2 aperture, autofocus LED flash, okay. The front is 80-degree wide angle daw. That's according to the specs that's written here. 3,400 milliamperes, Android 9.0, quad core ang gamit niya na 1.5 gigahertz. So remove the sticker now so that you have an idea, you can see. Okay. Let me put the sticker away properly. Okay. The back, ayan, kita nyo. The dual cameras, the headset jack is in the top. Okay. The TF card, the what you call that? SIM slot is on the left side. Where's the butas? Okay, there. Okay. It's using a modified SIM tray, so you can use one nano SIM and one micro SD, or two nano SIMs. Okay. The volume and the power buttons are all located on the right side. So we're gonna turn it on. Naka-on na pala kanina, sorry. So skip. So meron, hindi siya buo, no? So, meron siya sa taas, tapos may malaking puta sa ilalim. So hindi niya na maximize yung space. Not now. Skip anyway. Okay, so it's turning on. So as you can see there, that's the entire unit. It's LTE capable, okay? So 4G siya, no? May fingerprint scanner in the back. Okay. So let's see. Where's the settings? Okay. So the settings is not included here in the top, so we need to find it in the bottom. Okay. Storage, okay. It comes with only 16 GB of storage. I think that's the main drawback of this phone. You don't give me the F20 first. So we're comparing it to the size of the Samsung M20. So it's a little bit taller than the M20. Konti lang, pero in terms of screen size, mukhang mas malaki ang kinaing screen ni Samsung M20 compared to, yeah, see? But this is a 6.1 daw when you compute it. 600 by 120 HD resolution. The ratio is 19 by 9, 270 ppi for the screen. Okay, so multi-touch din siya. We'll test it out later when we install the testing apps para makita yung Antutu, no? It's a 3 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, so let's find. It's supposed to be upgradable until 128 GB. Okay, so about phone, as you can see, it says it's a Y8. There's no SIM yet installed in it. Android 9.0. Camera, as you can see, where's the settings? So 8 megapixels maximum, and change it to 5 para ano. Okay. I'm using the Poco phone to take a picture, to take this video right now. So mukha naman mabilis yung response. So here, yeah. Okay. So that's a quick unboxing of the Doogee Y8. You might need to buy a casing for this when you buy it already abroad, ano? Kasi the problem is you might have a hard time buying here in the Philippines. So what I did, I ordered online already. So I bought this. This was for 200 pesos, something like that. So see, it's nice color green, and you can put it inside the case, and then it's safe. It's card holders also. So we'll be testing this out in the next couple of days. As you can see, it says there, Doogee. That's the quick unboxing for the Doogee Y8. Thank you for watching. Keep up, subscribe and follow so that you see the review soon. Thanks guys, bye.